I have somebody tell Steven Spielberg and George Lucas, thank you for directing this movie.
Yo, what's going on, guys? If you don't know me already, my name is Yona Night Wisdom. I'm a Jamaican diver.
Out in the street, they call it murder. Camp rock, camp for the thugs and camp pot. 2 pounder within a van back. It in your handbag, your knapsack, it in your backpack.
Firstly, check out my new Body Smugglers. What do you think? Yes, I do have a panda on my Body Smugglers. Anyway, I've been out in Dubai for 4 days now. Let's see what I got to on days 1 and 2. Day 1 in Dubai was an absolute blast. It was pretty sweet, wasn't it, Toby?
Yeah, wicked.
Went to 2 different pool parties. One of them was on the beach. Another one I had. It was on the Palm. We were at a penthouse party. The same girl fell over there. Let's see what day 2 has in store. What we're doing today.
We're going up to Old Time by Deer Creek. We're going to check out the gold and diamond market.
Oh my god, I literally can't mess about when I say how hot it is right now. I don't know how to describe it. How do you describe this heat?
Like intense, muggy, like dry heat.
Imagine, you know when you stand like at the back of like a bus or something at home, right?
Yeah.
And it's extracting all the hot air from the engine. Imagine standing like right up close to that. That is the kind of heat I'm talking about, and it's literally just constant on me. Like my skin's tingling. It's so hot.
It's like when you open an oven but you don't take a step back and
yeah, yeah, and it hits you right in the face. Literally, that is mind blowing. I'm so hot right now. Look at these pieces of jewelry right here. All gold.
Yeah. Unnecessary, isn't it?
All gold. Look at these bangles, man. Oh my god. And this, how much do you reckon that is? Did it say?
Nah.
How much do you reckon that is? That must be millions, surely.
It's almost wasted, isn't it?
All gold. What are you supposed to do with that? That is a joke. I know that you all thought I was out here to mess about, but the hustle never stops. And that means trying to make myself a better person every single day, trying to make myself happier, and also trying to inspire others. And that's what I've been doing, even though it looks like I've just been having a little bit of fun out here. But it's time to start training now. I have been working hard. Roll the clip. Peace. For years I've watched my friends compete at the World Series at this very pool. I've always been jealous, I've always wanted to check it out, I've always wanted to come to Dubai. I'm finally here, like, I've actually made it. I cannot believe the size of it. Also behind that wall there is a second diving pool with all the same platforms. They have to just put some springboards in and it's the same thing, just not as big. It's a ridiculous arena. I can't believe they haven't had like the World Championships here yet. It'll be huge. I think I'm gonna go check out the 10 meter. See you there.
Hey yo Buster, I've been getting this money for a long time, man. Check this out. Alhamdulillah, with my billions piling, I'm just wildin'. Bought 2 islands, Lakshmi McAllen, diamonds and salmon, about to buy the bag. I'm just styling, money insane. While Jay was popping bottles, I was buying out planes just to fly around Spain. A recession, I'm still invested. About to buy Dubai and swim in a shark section.
Oh, and if you're a little bit too tired after visiting the 10 meter, and you don't really fancy walking down the stairs, what you can do is just come over here, press this little button, and jump in the lift.
I got lots of mean I let you wrong browse. My money make noise, yours quiet as a mouse. Send an email, eat the boys in the house. All the girls love me, yeah, pop bubbly. How God hush your head, man, shorty dumb ugly. Find me on the dance floor, doing the Dougie. Trucks sit high, dude next to your buggy.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
Don't even call me Swiss no more. Call me Qasim Dawood Shamsuddin. My government is oil. When I come through, hit you with that brand new Bugatti coupe, damn thing. Only on these seats too. But you know who be riding in my passenger side? We be flying shit 2.5 in it. Hey, 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 hey. I'm in my Jeezy watching TV. She call me her habibi while she feeding me linguine. Left, right, hey, they rap dance popping right. Swiss beats, bust the money, bust pipes.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
Well guys, that is the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out some more of my videos from the Commonwealth Games Gold Coast 2018, and also hit that subscribe button right in the bottom corner just there, and subscribe to my channel and follow my journey through to the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games hopefully. Thank you for watching. Peace out guys. See you.